遅くて実現不能さルーザー取ってつけた極道に振り回されタイムオーバーどこかの誰かのリツイート評価の基準はいいですで試されてるようなリアルに答えを探してる暇もないああいうのフィクションの世界でなんや隠してる誰も見せないフェイス人知れず鳴らしたまでに気づいたのは痛いほど僕さ悩み抜いてるその手のジョーカーにシナリオはもう異常事態だって遅すぎた干渉表面に黒幕みたいなライアーフェイス
Who are you?
I came here to defeat you, like what my master said.
Trying to defeat me? Look around you. This place is destroyed. And you're trying to defeat me? Bet.
Vai tomando, vai jogando, vai tomando, vai jogando. Você dança no funk e o bumbum vão balançando. Vai jogando, oi. Vai jogando, vai tomando, vai jogando, vai tomando, vai tomando, vai jogando.
You're strong. But I'm ending all of you here.
Vai tomando, vai jogando. Você dança no funk e o bumbum vão balançando. Vai tomando, vai jogando, vai tomando, vai jogando. Você dança no funk e o bumbum vão balançando. Vai tomando, vai jogando, vai tomando.
Oh, you got to be kidding me.
Vai jogando, você dança no funk e o bumbum vão balançando. Vai tomando, vai jogando, vai tomando, vai jogando. Você dança no funk e o bumbum vão balançando.
We're back. We're back. Finally. Took y'all long enough. Anyways, Land, how did your dimension get deleted? Oh. But the one thing I want to know is, how did the corruption even happen? I may know how it happened and how it all started. You knew? Yeah, it happened 2 years ago. And it was kind of my fault. I'm bored. Time to see what's there to do. What the? We got a problem. Good thing that's gone and evil lightning is defeated. Where am I? In the void. Where there's nothing left. But no worries.
I can fix that.
Wait, what are you doing? Ah! Stay back! What is this? Get away! And now we can't beat it. We're done. Don't even finish that sentence like it's over. Lightning. If we're going to defeat him, then we're going to get stronger and better. I knew you were going to say something like that.
So I thought I was gonna train. Okay, let's train.
Looks like it's okay for now. Everyone, back away! It's exploding!